What if you could rebuild your skin, your joints, and your energy just by changing what's on your plate? Not a supplement, not a $60 powder, just food. Today I'm giving you 12 collagen-rich meals. Real meals, not snacks, not smoothies, that help your body build and protect collagen from the inside out. And I'm saving the best one for last. Meal number 12 is the one meal that hits almost every collagen nutrient your body needs, all in one plate. Stick around for that one. If you want more simple, science-backed food videos like this, hit subscribe. I post every week. Let's get into it. Meal 1, Salmon Citrus Power Bowl. Salmon, orange slices, avocado, and spinach over rice. Here's why this one works. Salmon is packed with protein, and protein is what your body actually uses to build collagen. No protein, no collagen, simple as that. But protein alone isn't enough. Your body needs vitamin C to turn that protein into real collagen. That's where the orange comes in. One orange gives you almost a full day's worth. Avocado helps your body absorb more of the good stuff from every other ingredient on the plate. And spinach adds iron and more vitamin C on top. This bowl takes 10 minutes. It's protein, activation, and absorption all in one dish. Meal 2, Ginger Egg Drop Bone Broth. Bone broth, eggs, ginger, and green onion. This one's for your joints specifically. Bone broth is loaded with the exact building blocks collagen is made from. It's basically pre-broken down collagen, ready for your body to use. Add an egg, and you're adding even more protein and key nutrients your body needs for repair. Ginger isn't just for taste, it calms inflammation. And inflammation is one of the biggest things that breaks collagen down. So this bowl is doing two jobs at once, feeding your joints and protecting them. This is a meal I'd make on a day my knees or back feel stiff. Tumadi chia. Pudding. Chia seeds, coconut milk, turmeric, and mango. Chia seeds soak up liquid overnight and turn into a thick pudding packed with fiber and healthy fats. That fiber matters more than people think. It keeps your blood sugar steady, and stable blood sugar means your collagen doesn't get damaged by sugar spikes. Turmeric is one of the most studied anti-inflammatory foods on Earth. Less inflammation, less collagen breakdown. Mango adds natural sweetness and vitamin C to activate everything. Set up the night before, eat it cold. For minutes of work. Meal 4, White Bean Roasted Pepper Toast. Mashed white beans, roasted red pepper, olive oil, on whole grain toast. White beans bring plant protein and a mineral called zinc, and zinc is non-negotiable for collagen. Without enough zinc, your body simply can't finish the job, no matter how much protein you eat. Red bell peppers have almost double the vitamin C of an orange. That's not a small thing. It means this one vegetable alone can cover your daily requirement. Olive oil helps your body absorb the fat-soluble nutrients in the peppers. Whole grain toast adds fiber to keep things steady. This is proof a 5-minute plant-based meal can outperform something way more complicated. Meal 5, Shrimp Avocado Tomato Salad. Shrimp, avocado, tomato, lime, and cilantro. Shrimp is lean, fast-digesting protein, and it naturally contains a mineral called copper, which your body uses to lock collagen fibers together so your skin and joints actually hold their shape. Tomatoes bring an antioxidant called lycopene, shown to protect skin from sun damage, one of collagen's biggest enemies. Avocado boosts how much of that lycopene your body actually absorbs. Lime adds one more hit of vitamin C to tie it together. 10 minutes. No cooking required if your shrimp's pre-cooked. Meal 6, Blackberry Almond Overnight Oats. Oats, almond milk, blackberries, and almond butter soaked overnight. Soaking oats overnight does something most people don't know. It unlocks more of the minerals inside the oats, including zinc and magnesium, both needed for collagen production. Blackberries are one of the highest antioxidant fruits you can buy. Those antioxidants protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. Almond butter adds vitamin E, which protects your skin cells at a deeper level, and healthy fat that helps your body absorb everything else in the bowl. Set it up before bed. Wake up to a meal that did the work while you slept. Meal 7, Cashew Broccoli Stir Fry. Broccoli, cashews, garlic, and tofu in a light soy ginger sauce. broccoli might be the most underrated collagen food that exists. 1 cup gives you close to a full day of vitamin C, more than most fruits. Tofu adds complete plant protein, including glycine, which is literally the #1 amino acid collagen is built from. Cashews bring copper for cross-linking your collagen fibers into strong, durable tissue. Garlic adds sulfur compounds that support that same cross-linking process. This is a 15-minute dinner that quietly does more for your skin than most skincare routines. Quick pause. If this is useful, tap like right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people looking for real answers instead of another supplement ad. Now, let's keep going, because the next 5 meals get even better. Meal 8, turkey citrus spinach wrap. Turkey, spinach, orange segments, and a whole wheat wrap. Turkey is lean protein loaded with all the essential amino acids your body needs for collagen, including lysine, the amino acid most people don't get enough of. Spinach adds iron, which helps carry oxygen to your skin cells so they can actually do the work of repairing tissue. Orange segments inside the wrap deliver fresh vitamin C right alongside the protein. Protein and vitamin C together is the exact combination your body needs to build collagen efficiently. This is a lunch you can make in 5 minutes and eat on the go. Meal 9, beet chickpea hummus plate. Roasted beets, chickpea hummus, cucumber, and parsley. Beets are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow. And better blood flow means more nutrients actually reaching your skin. Chickpeas bring lysine again, plus manganese, a mineral your body uses to recycle old collagen material into new collagen. Nothing goes to waste. Parsley is one of the most overlooked vitamin C sources in the entire grocery store. Gram for gram, it beats an orange. This plate has been eaten across the Mediterranean for generations, long before anyone called it a collagen meal. Meal 10, passion fruit coconut yogurt bowl. Coconut yogurt, passion fruit, kiwi, and hemp seeds. Passion fruit is loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, both essential for healthy skin cell turnover, meaning your skin replaces old, damaged cells with fresh ones faster. Kiwi adds even more vitamin C, plus a natural enzyme that helps your body absorb protein better. Hemp seeds bring plant protein and omega-3s, which calm inflammation and help keep your skin's moisture barrier strong. This bowl tastes like dessert, but functions like a collagen tune-up. Meal 11, pea and mint avocado toast. Mashed avocado, green peas, mint, lemon on sourdough toast. Green peas are an underrated protein source for a vegetable, and they carry vitamin C and manganese together, a combination your collagen enzymes depend on. Avocado supplies healthy fat and vitamin E for skin protection and helps your body pull more nutrients from every bite. Mint and lemon aren't just for flavor. Mint has anti-inflammatory properties, and lemon delivers another dose of vitamin C to activate the whole plate. This is the fastest meal on this list. 5 ingredients, 3 minutes. Meal 12, blueberry walnut cottage cheese bowl. Cottage cheese, blueberries, walnuts, and a drizzle of honey. I save this one for last because it does almost everything at once. Cottage cheese is one of the slowest digesting proteins that exists. It feeds your body amino acids steadily for hours, not just in one quick burst. That matters because collagen production doesn't stop. It's happening constantly. Blueberries are one of the most antioxidant-dense fruits on the planet. Those antioxidants directly protect existing collagen from breaking down. Walnuts bring copper and omega-3s. Copper for strength, omega-3s for calming inflammation. Protein, antioxidant protection, and anti-inflammatory fat in one 5-minute bowl. That's why it's number 1. So here's the simple version of everything you just learned. To build collagen, you need 4 things on repeat. Protein from turkey, shrimp, salmon, tofu, beans, or dairy. Vitamin C from citrus, peppers, berries, or parsley, eaten alongside your protein. Minerals, zinc and copper from seeds, nuts, and legumes. Protection, antioxidants from berries and colorful produce to guard the collagen you already have. Hit those 4 every day, and you don't need a $60 tub of powder. If this helped, Smash the like button and tell me in the comments, which meal are you making first? Salmon citrus bowl, bone broth, or the blueberry walnut bowl at number 1? Subscribe if you want more simple food science videos like this every week. Real food, real results, starting with your next meal.